Hey, Conor here at Neversink Farm, and welcome to the new Hoop House 1. Put it up about a year and a half ago, but just started using it because we were using it as storage as we renovated the barn, so it's full of barn crap for about a year. But we just, brand new soil, just started planting, and I want you to come on in and take a look. So this soil was brand new. It was just sand, and within just a couple of weeks, put down tons of compost, put a little clay, some peat, fertilizer, balanced the soil with micronutrients. And for the first season, it's just growing phenomenally well. We got peppers in here, lettuce, kale. We got ginger at the back. Scallions, got some fig trees we're doing, mint, and it's just growing really, really well. For some reason, the newest hoop house always becomes my favorite. And what I love about this one is it's got the highest ceiling of any one that we've put up, because we have some plans in the future to maybe put some peach trees in here. And of course, it's just so clean, right? There's no algae growing in it yet. Everything's clear and beautiful. And it's upped our production because now we're taking out a field of production. We can take, twice the size of this out in the field to take that out of production and replace it with this. Because I want to get smaller, more productive, and better rather than bigger, right? I don't need to go 2 acres, 3 acres, 4 acres, which is coming from 1.5 acres, 1.4, 1.3. And it's just working well. So yeah, so take a look around, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and if you want to look at courses or anything like that, you can go to neversinkfarm.com.